everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. It's Mom. I'm pretty Missy here again, and in today's video I'm super excited to be sharing with you an amazing product that has been a game changer in my daily routine. Introducing the Keenstone Touch Control Toaster. Let's make a quick breakfast. I'm starting with 2 slices of white bread. I just pop them in, select the toast setting, and adjust the browning level with the touch controls. It is that simple. You can as well defrost your bagels or waffles by just tapping the defrost, and it will gently thaw and toast your waffles or bagels to perfection. No need to wait around. It is super quick and efficient. And here we have it. Perfectly toasted bread in just a few minutes. Look at that beautiful golden brown. Looks crunchingly delicious. And my kids love to have their toast with warm cocoa drink. And here I am making this delicious warm cocoa drink for my kids the way they love it. Looking for something that makes your breakfast morning super easy? Try this Keenstone Touch Control Toaster. The link to purchasing this product is going to be on the description of this video. Trust me, this toaster helps streamline my mornings.
Enjoy my breakfast.
Alright everyone, that's all about today's review, and the link to purchasing this product is going to be on the description of this video. And guess what? You have a 30% discount if you purchase the product right away. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and see you again next time. Bye.